Oh, Bomboko there.
Lawyer. I'm a Bomboko.
My 16 minutes.
Oh, guys, last year, okay, I say my make catch up.
I catch him and say, man, we know. Ejumano Bibia, what you do know. See, I shed that you cross a banana and be proud. Over Kaza Derby. Yeah. A woman and co.
Yeah, make a FIFA president. Derby Ejuma, Gianni Infantino. For me, arguably, is the best FIFA president the world has had. Yes. And Sebi, footballer, you know. And first one is saying the development of the game at the member association level. That's the most important. So there's here. Yes, if I venye sikana go tam, I am famwa. I'm paying for no di no mochebi. Michel Platini di 2 million. There be or no buy one yes sir. And we are sitting here. Neo brebiano odi. But near here say ye juma no dibi. Me principle no. Uye juma no so ni odi amen fa ho. Me amaka so dia se. Aha. Now, papa we BFG ebe fa FIFA ko. You say circumstance na ma obe fa FIFA ko nya no na enya di papa. Because na Mary Lynch attorney general at that time FBI said for 3 years almost say Blatter mo Sikedi Jean-Marie Viamo Sikedi Nicolas Leon mo Mudisika Jakwana ya krare de anyo Jakwana kan Isaiah to kan Hania Burida Africa krare de ja enne musa and so about FIFA at the time now I say FIFA image you know coffin in fact Visa for Motiga from Mastercard 2007 Visa Coca-Cola any Budweiser I say Omoni Infantino win election they had a meeting just 2 days after. Because sponsors the paid the bonini. I saw Mujitu Muse FIFA no ube yene because Chrononi Ketashi said ni and Mugasi Akamui. Ye jume di no one share basa na behind. So we leader now assume your office under this toxic circumstance. Very, very delicate and FIFA nyina sponsors. Major one, FIFA Sikado don't a work up now free. And so you need to assure your sponsors maybe me can't actually say me boa mamujume dina quid nim kama. Now on his election part of the campaign before the SOMPA Echo 2016 or can sembi or see Sika it's your money, not the money of FIFA President Infantino or promising voters. Yes, I'm not interested. The last one or see ever since member federation who each got 250,000 per year plus pre-election World Cup bonus now get at least 8 million from anyway. So let me explain. Now, Neo Person Channel say FIFA Sikano a member association 211 Ghana ka we are born in Sika. And yes, Sikano ba ne Atlantic Sikano ba I see a chess and a bear football betumpon or baby. Now this was an election promise. Ne dia ne say nia ye o man money baby no bi Debbie. Oba ye no. The first thing he did to establish the FIFA forward. On say Blatter or go project. And you know the FIFA forward by and basically to invest in the development of football based on projects. Our person we not the acquire share the bar say hon krata sem ni bibia emreno do now so yeah this kind of beba auditing FIFA be basically say he invested this cash share football at the member association level. He was able to do that at the time and now Obe take you over. Don't forget now member association including Ghana $250,000 a year. In one full term a year we have $1 million.
Yes.
Or no buy from 2016 to 2019. And then to last year until over 2 this year.
Yeah.
Now $6 million every 4 years.
Every 4 years.
So from 1 million to 6 million.
Sports.
The Ghana had $6 million. Ghana FA had $6 million last year. Member association. Now ebasa na obetimi ahihye oni sempanyifo na omo di agro nim sebeu enim di ewakoma pa sa sikai se etimi boa onia Rwanda di FIFA forward no na mika wasem no ha nya Benin other countries edi omo di na And FIFA forward the Abebwa member associations $6 million in every 4 years. Now Osha World Cup 2018 World Cup at the $5.4 billion. Now from 2016 till now, before we got 2022 World Cup, I have $4 billion reserve. No, you're spending $3 billion from FIFA forward for member associations.
Yeah.
Nti oba no se me ba FIFA se kana mudia me ba me de me be mama
SOMPA Sports
mudi aye empuntu adwuma. Now Oshe Gianni Infantino ebeye president no because of niema ekoso on the election day Africa kra mu chemienu because isa haya to akoji Sheikh Salman Zikai ena ose nyina ntuma no ba na ebi mu so akoji ska o baby nti entimi yenya ankoto amano nti o decide say ese minya transie yi Africa de minimum pa ye de lawyer wo hwe ye yi a
yes you be sure ye.
Thank you very much. I grow
so I hwe ye dia ya ne bi what utuna kunya bi ye fi Africa
ti oba ye e no ne ye bonze ne nan wa Africa de na nya easy oba pa na first thing so is the papa we are ono ekoji open sika Sheikh Salman sika ezo tunu frio so person to aso dia enoma otu isayatu enoma amada ebae but finally amasuko so ma tu ni ne mansem bibia chinsem Gianni Infantino chinse or ma 4 girls so on say eba ma issues or very passionate is because or ma 4.
Oh, okay.
Yes, or man, girls, beautiful girls, 4. And to ba a man in Munsema, or you'll be very passionate, PCSC man in the Tiamat Kono parties Mochepi, I'm not even going into the details of that. Now, since I buy, and then Pinuka say, FIFA forward no, caught $8 million from 2023 to 2026.
Yeah, PJ.
Every 4 years. And Ghana, from a few weeks on, you have $2 million a year. To 2026. Sika what the other share football mono FIFA president bia enye bida. And I doubt whether even South Africa wants after him. Say anya bia bibini Dr. Paris Mochebe say or I send the throne after him. Maybe it might be difficult because Ghana, Africa, Asia, CONCACAF, any South America no sebi ye yare no ehia no yetiase wa nyo bia obenya butrati ase a on whom a combat so I ever solve your problem in relation to football development. And the reason why I make say the best FIFA president ever we've had, one major one we football is football development, grassroots, bibia is corporate governance, COVID by onska Ghana from
yes.
COVID. A marble COVID affected the or Masika member association bia in difficult times. Or if you first care, now, on no dear, just say or see now. The challenge is that European fauna ya nanomuntiminya hwe. Enti no katre poka game say one kasa try nejuma so ni. Enti omo ye hiafo no for African fa so ayanya Asia fa omo no he will have 146 guaranteed votes on any day. 65 in Europe, near or for Kakra or Asia, but 146 are guaranteed. And Tianunti Obia almost they are smart enough to do that analysis to know, say, Yakwa, any Meguasi. And then on Kata Poka Gami say, on Rakraba, but you know. Aye. Varas Mamisa video, no Kata Poka Gami. Say, on Rakra tries to win the contest here.
No, I knew he's a great president, and now I see also that he's a top player. I hope he doesn't want to run for becoming FIFA president, because then I'm in serious trouble. But jokes aside, really, it's fantastic to share this.
Emma, look, Africa crowd, you see that from not here, so say because adi odi aba mabo bo menyonyam sheke sia wa she Africa e bin see that Fatima Samura appointment
yeah
e wi ase bibi eni ho a e din kambom I would think kese je football mami we the fact that we decided to be appointing my movie or Senegal ba kama was a big statement on the fact that Africa no sebio otoye ena osan pe ma epuntu ni ma ball enti onofa ma miwe. Now it means that Africa your voice when it comes to FIFA, because you will be a TRC of Africa or TRC maybe every Senegal and Ghana problems are similar. The difference is that they have a better direction and leadership when it comes to football. Augustine Senghor. And you will be at least you so econasia or betiasi in Fatima Samora. And no air to show say or you be a nenia brew ma ball. And then last World Cup 2019, now a ma ball or more share. From 250,000, I've moved to 1 billion viewers.
Yes.
We have invested so much in women football. And then, in fact, the decision to bring the CAF Women Champions League was a discussion he held with Dr. Patrice Motsepe. And yeah, second edition, where we are CAF Champions League, and champions, yes, far. Eba ema empuntua. And then all the 6 confederations of FIFA no. Any say a 4 years be a FIFA council let's say ye elected Obaba Upumpo confederation be to Africa Asha Johansson, former Sierra Leone Federation president, and all. And the FIFA council of 37 members now, you were mass 6 our council also. And this has never happened by any FIFA president before. And yet, my man no born no crown. On says here, a man born no we near $4 million. Before then, half of it. So, in terms of investing in the men football, or the FIFA for it, but about men man football, no, he's putting a lot of money. Or mano football, no, I conquer ye pa. Omamuko we sika Jakwana mun Isaiah tumu. Under President Trump, we have discussions. And then, SOMPA 200 million aba or the other. Omo we sika ne marketing agencies no no. Ni oya ne say osanko jiska no. Ochichema CONCACAF. The be omo hia sika for football puto no. One can say sika no the or DBA no the gunu bottom. He's been able to make sure say sika no one ban for swama CONMEBOL South America for and a CONCACAF as well. Ni washia do baby say omo asebe ye wo fema football no enko yi a sikasem haye no ye anam no so no ye peja kakra ene Africa ye wo Super League eba so afi na mo ye hu krata sem nkan eba ye nya 2 million no ye besa nya additional 1 million Afibia
and no Kwama Federation.
Every member
Azana ba teams in
Afana teams no would dear no
Musikaba.
Yeah. And this is what we need, because at the end of the day, any power will have its flaws. I mean, later the issue about audit and compliance chairman Scalamu, yes. But the point is that here Sika football is kind of developing. We need money. Onwa by or the Sikano shame kina. And the Ghana never do baby no. You have Super League every year. Never do baby no. You share Super League this year. It means that in 4 years we'll be making $12 million. In 4 years. Afibia $3 million. Who of every president or yes serious or visionary. This money should be more than enough to invest in football. That is why we see the best FIFA president ever.
Also na Boame Kakrao. Sa sikana ya na banamo di yejumana. Ya na ye fremu mamuko bu konta.
Oh yes, omo audit yes. Omo auditor audit now sometimes SMP, but a honor at the FIFA and yet that's true over the years we see and a honor. Say omweni kose adie no enkonye nkuku bu die no. So kaji kodu yanga die no. Enkonye nkuku bu die no bi. Ebe no credit say forensic crime be ma na no credit, because enya sa scan beba nemu ne umfaso na yes ye nya no ye nkonyansa umfaso no. Now as we speak, we are setting a target of $11 billion for the 2026 World Cup because America television rights here are solid almost 2 years kappa. And also Baswa, it means that from Onwani projection, is looking at the FIFA forward going to around $10 million. So the American say, aha. So in a nutshell, share or buy near ma why yena na ma watua.
SOMPA Sports.
Near sees a blatter pa. Because Esa Oba at the time asked a Joshua to come and salvage the financial challenges are now a lot of member associations are blessed like Europe are here to develop football. And Ebedu Baby will be able to rub shoulders with them. And as you see, I know, share the FIFA Football for School project or the buy, for instance. So, a idea, a bebwa on one casa ni washema or the mind penny for ending common who say, ye bet me the ball no cry. Ehun sem kra ahye krata so a bring friend curriculum be kanwa nkolano be sua o honuma. And so whilst he's looking at that, he's also looking at grassroots football, education plus football.